SOH katoe, sin theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tan theta equals opposite of adjacent. Angle of elevation, Kyland, upward from the horizontal line of sight. Angle of depression, downward from the horizontal line of sight.
You must know it. You're sagacious, your brain is too much. You must know it. A stationary boat is observed from a height of 100 meters. If the horizontal distance between the observer and the boat is 80 meters, calculate correct to two decimal places the angle of depression of the boat from the point of observation. Constitutes a right angle triangle, and in a right angle triangle, remember your SOHCAHTOA. So since we know that sin theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent.
SOH katoe, sin theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tan theta equals opposite of adjacent. Angle of elevation, Kyland, upward from the horizontal line of sight. Angle of depression, downward from the horizontal line of sight.
So now, which one are we to pick? Is it SOHCAH or TOA? You must consider based on the information you've got. In the question, it says that the height is 100 meters while the horizontal distance is 80 meters. So that means that you're given the opposite, which is the height, and the adjacent, which is the horizontal distance. So which of this information has opposite and adjacent? Definitely not sin theta, definitely not cos theta, but it's tan theta. Tan theta is one that has opposite all over adjacent, so we write it. So tan theta equals to opposite is 100, adjacent is 80. You must understand that this is with respect to the angle. Opposite because it's opposite to the angle, and it's adjacent because it's adjacent to the angle. So when I cancel this, I get 5 over 4, and 5 over 4 is the same thing as 1.25. Tan theta equals 1.25. Since you are interested in theta and not tan theta, so that means that theta is going to be equal to the tan inverse of 1.25. This gives us 51.4 or 0.34 degrees. 51.34 degrees.
SOH katoe, sin theta equals opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse, tan theta equals opposite of adjacent. Angle of elevation, Kyland, upward from the horizontal line of sight. Angle of depression, downward from the horizontal line of sight.
The median is the one in the middle.
For the mean, you add and then divide.
The mode is the one you see the most.
This says the average group of 25 years is 10 years. The average age group of 25 girls is 10 years. If one girl aged 12 years and 4 months joined the group, find, correct to one decimal place, the average age of the group. Find correct to one decimal place the new average age of the group. Remember that the average of a group of numbers is sum of items all over number of items, or if you like, you write the formula x bar equals to summation f of x all over n. In this concept, it means addition of the frequencies, while x is the exact number whose frequency occurs, and then n is the number of items. I repeat, summation is addition, f is frequency, and then x is the items exactly which you're multiplying by the frequency. Then the n is the numbers. So according to the question, since the mean equals to summation or sigma f of x all over n, then you know that the mean is given as 10. The number of girls, the average is 10. Number of girls is given as 25. So sum of items or summation f of x will now be 25 times 10. So summation f of x or sum of items is going to be 250. Remember that a new girl was added. If a new girl was added, n is changed to 26. And then that new girl is 12 years 4 months. So 12 years 4 months is the same as 12 years 4 over 12. 4 months to years is 4 over 12. That brings our answer in decimal to 12.33. So the new total summation or sigma f of x will now be 250 plus 12.33. This gives us 262.33. Now, since this new f of x is 262.33, then the new n number is 26, no longer 25 because you added 1. So our new mean will now be this. So 262.33 divided by 26 is going to give us approximately 10.1.
The median is the one in the middle.
For the mean, you add and then divide.
The mode is the one you see the most.
This says